Good morning everyone. I wanted to start off the vlog today and say hello. Me, Raph, and my mom are going to this new place that we've been wanting to try. It's this new Italian restaurant, and I say Italian because I'm not really sure what is actually considered Italian in America, unless it's like an actual Italian person that, like, you know, came over here and opened their own restaurant, then it's definitely Italian. But it's called North Italia, and we're gonna go over there and check it out, see what it's like. We're going at a time right now where it's like brunch, because it's 11:06 right now, and we're probably going to be there at like noon. So it'll technically still be like brunch time. Man, this lighting is very orange, and I don't know how to change that. I don't think there really is a way to change it. It's just the way my lighting is. I don't know. I'm sorry that it's so orange. And also, I'm very excited because we're actually going to be able to vlog going somewhere, because I know I normally do not vlog going places, because either I don't go anywhere or I forget. Because the other day on Friday, we went over to the same place. We didn't eat at this restaurant, but we went to the same place, and I didn't vlog. So that's my fault, but we're going back over there today, so I'm taking the opportunity and properly vlogging today. And then there are a couple of bags that I wanted to look at just to get a feel for. There's the Mulberry mini Alexa that I wanted to take a look at, and then there is the YSL LouLou Puffers that I wanted to also take a look at. So I'm very excited about those. I know that, well, from when I checked last night, I know they have the mini Alexa in the chalk color. That's the one that I was looking at. I know they have that in Nordstrom, again, from when I looked last night. So I do want to try that and just look at the measurements and see what I think about it. And then when it comes to the LouLou Puffers, they have 3 different sizes. They have like a toy size, a small size, and a medium size. And definitely the medium's way too big. I do not carry that many things. The small I also think is too big, but the mini I think would be perfect because I don't carry anything. I'm very minimal with the stuff that I carry. So I really wanted to try the mini size, but I don't know what colors they have. I don't think they have any minis in store, but that's okay because the mini is fine. I know that's the one that I want, but I don't know what color. I'm between the black and the nude. I want to see them in person. So I'm gonna try those, and if they have them, hopefully they will. So I'm very excited for that. I think I'm just going to put a little makeup on. I think I'm just gonna do brows, mascara, lips, and blush today. I'm wearing my Ferrucci crop sweater. I haven't worn this since I got back from Italy, which I don't know why I haven't worn it. I love this sweatshirt. I think it's just very cropped and you have to wear something underneath, but that's fine. Anyways, let me show you my babies because I haven't showed Kiva in a little bit. Hello, gorgeous girl. Oh, she's being so good right now. And then there's my beautiful boy. Look at that. Look at that handsome man. Oh, hello. Good stretch. They've been playing so well together over the past couple of weeks. So excited for that, which is definitely a plus because when we first got Winston and brought him home, Kiva had wanted nothing to do with him, so I'm glad that they like each other now. I'm going to get ready, so I will talk to you here in a little bit. Bye! Okay, you guys, I'm all done. As you can see, I honestly just did the bare minimum. I just put on some lipstick, some blush, eyebrows, and mascara, and we call it a day. That's how we're doing it right now. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna have my hair down today or if I'm gonna pull it back, like pull it up. I'm not entirely sure yet. My mom is on her way, so that's very exciting, and I'm trying to decide if I want to continue wear these leggings or if I want to change into jeans. So I'm gonna try on some jeans really quick.
We made it to the restaurant. It's so pretty in here. I'll do like a pan so you can see it, but we're about to order. We got some drinks. So yeah, I'm really excited for the food. Everything looks really good. I think I'm gonna go for this glazed Italian donut French toast. So that's exciting. I went for the Sicilian margarita. This looks amazing. I know my mom got a lemon drop. Lemon drop.
It's tiny.
It's tangy. Is it good? You look great. Looks strong. We've got our food. Mom got the salmon avocado toast. It looks so good. And no, it looks great. And then Raph got the bolognese. And then mine, I got nothing. But I'm just kidding. But no, mine's on the way. Mine's on the way. But this looks great too.
It looks great. It's a little small as a dish, but it's great.
It's like the fancy. You get like this much.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. I had no idea. I don't know what I was expecting, but this looks so good. Here's the YSL black. It's the YSL LouLou Mini Puffer, which is super cute. I love this bag. I'm trying to decide if I want it in black or if I want it in like the nude color. But this is really cute. They have all the other ones and I love the suede a lot. That Chanel one was the Chanel, like the small classic flap in gold hardware. And that's like my white elephant bag. If I could ever have that bag, it's insane. But I know it's like $8,500, which is nuts. Oh, that's the, okay, so this seems to be the like dark taupe color, I'm hoping.
Well, but there's the black. There's the taupe. There's a small.
Oh, that's like the nude color? If that's the nude color, then I like the nude color. No, but I like the nude color, but I want the small. This isn't the puffer. This is the regular LouLou. So there's like a LouLou Puffer and a regular LouLou. Yeah, so that's the regular LouLou. That's very cute though, but that's the nice color. Oh my god, look how cute.
I love it.
This one is the Mulberry Mini Alexa in the chalk color. It's super cute.
All right, you guys, I'm back home now, as you can tell, and I had a really fun time today. If you can hear a rap in the background, he's playing Conan right now, so I'm sorry if you can hear that, but we had a really fun time. That restaurant was really good. I really enjoyed it. I think we'll go back at some point, and I had a great time looking at the bags and just kind of seeing what was available. I actually was able to see the two that I wanted to see. So that puffer bag, you saw the black one. I really wanted to see it in the dark beige, but they didn't have the puffer in the dark beige. And then there was the mini Alexa that I was able to see as well, and that one was so freaking cute. I really liked it. However, there were two that I did see while I was in there that I think I might like more. The first one was an option. I'm not sure if I talked about it this morning. I don't remember, but it was the Gucci Mini Diana, and I wandered into the Gucci store and they happened to have it, so I took some clips of that, obviously, and that one is beautiful. I really loved it. It's so pretty. I love the bamboo handle, and I think the color's great. I was looking for a more neutral toned option this time because I have a black bag, I have the Prada, and I have a pink bag. I have a Lady Dior in like it's not really pink. It's kind of like a blushy nude kind of color, but it still kind of reads a bit pink. So I wanted something that was more on like the whiter chalky side, or one that was kind of like nudie beigey. So the Gucci Diana, the mini, was like a white color, super pretty, and I love the orange on the handles as well. Like, I love that extra bit. You can take it off or you can leave it there. I love that orange. It's so cool. And then the other one that I was not expecting, like it was not on my radar literally at all, was the Louis Vuitton Coussin. Oh my god, Coussin. Oh man, I just said it so wrong. It's one of their new ones. It came out fall 2019 and everyone's talking about it. I'll put a picture right here, but I showed it in a few clips ago, but it was that black one, and I had no idea this bag existed. I saw it randomly yesterday on a video from Shay Whitney, and she was talking about it in her like best and worst bags of 2021, and I saw that she reviewed this bag and I hated it. I thought it was so ugly. I was like, that bag is so ugly. Why would anyone buy that bag? And then me and my mom went into the Louis Vuitton store just to see, because there was a bag that she was wanting to see if they had. But then I saw that same bag, and just seeing it in person, I was like, I get the hype now. Like, I understand. I love the gold chain. I love the strap. I love the way that it looks. It's so cool to me. It is a little bit edgy, but also very classic. And I feel like you could wear it during the day and also kind of make it a nighttime situation. I really like that bag, and I really think that that is the current #1 for me. Also, as you saw, I did wear a Chanel flap, classic flap. It was black caviar leather with the gold hardware. Of course, that was my #1, but it's $8,500, so that's like a no for now. But hopefully maybe one day, if Chanel doesn't keep increasing the prices for no reason. But yeah. You guys, I know that I kind of just ended this vlog. And I don't know where I'm gonna put this little section right here. I wanted to add this little section before I edited this video. So it's gonna probably be before the actual ending. Anyways, it's actually technically the next day since yesterday when I filmed all of the stuff. I got back home, I did more research, I watched more videos, and I have been in between the LouLou Puffer from YSL and of course, that Louis Vuitton Coussin, oh god, I still can't say it right. Anyways, you know what I mean. So I really wanted to try the YSL LouLou Puffer in the dark beige color because I saw it in black and I really liked the way that it looked. I love how casual it was. I love how cool and like a little bit edgy it was. That puffer one was really great. So I just kept going back and forth between that and the Louis Vuitton. I saw another video online that kind of just solidified a couple things for me, and I did make a purchase online because I couldn't have got it in the store anyways. It didn't have the color available, and they wouldn't have it until May because it's so popular apparently. But I did purchase from YSL's website. I got the Tote LouLou Puffer in dark beige. I'm so freaking excited. I have never made a purchase like this online before, and I know many loads of people do it, but I've never made a purchase online like this before, and I'm so excited. It says that it should be here on the 26th. Today is the 25th, so I feel like that's very fast shipping, so we'll see when it actually gets here, but I'm so incredibly jazzed. I've never got anything from YSL before either, so that's definitely going to be, besides makeup, but that's going to be such a fun experience. So yeah, that was the little addition. I will be doing an unboxing, and yeah, I'm so excited about it. And I really hope I like the color. Honestly, the reason that I got this is because I really wanted to check the color. And if I don't like the color, I will be returning it. If I don't like the color, I'm not even gonna take it out of the packaging because, you know, I know situations can be weird with returning luxury goods as long as it's not like worn or used or anything. So if I open it, look at it, don't like the color, I will return it just like that. Then maybe I'll try something else later, but I really wanted to try the color to see what I thought about it because I love the nude. I have a black bag, I have like a fun color bag, so I really wanted to find a nude one. Anyways, that's my update, and well, play the last clip of the video. I am gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and subscribe if you want to. Please also go follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it right here. I do post as often as I can over there, and I've been posting a lot of reels recently, so that's super fun. But I will see you in the next video, and I hope you have a great night. Bye!